I'm glad to see all the participants participating so enthusiastically. So first of all, I would like to congratulate each and every participant of this MSMUN 2020. And I take immense pleasure to express my gratitude towards each and everyone for being present here on this momentous occasion. It's wonderful to see so many of you taking so much of interest in the international matters and making this MUN so much successful. Regardless of whether you ultimately pursue a career in diplomacy or something completely unrelated, your initiative and enthusiasm to understand how the world works together at the UN is so very valuable. I hope this was an exciting experience for all. And this experience has not only broadened your horizons of understanding, but must also have left a lingering taste of togetherness, which will surely find a befitting niche in your memories. For us at Modi School, the idea to host an MUN conference was a way to empower young delegates. It gave them an opportunity to pull in their innovative ideas and to collaborate and negotiate fruitfully at multilateral levels to resolve issues concerning the world. I hope you must have savored each moment of the proceedings to the fullest. On behalf of the entire team of Modi School, I would like to first of all thank all the principals of the schools who accepted our invitations and allowed their delegates and teachers from different schools to participate. So as we come to the close of virtual MSMUN 2020, I'm also reminded of the hard work that each one of you and everyone has put in to give shape to this event, a beautiful shape. One thing is sure, if we want to bring in change, we wish for a better life, a better world, a better school, and a better education. We all need to work together. The way you all have worked together on this platform of MSMUN 2020. So let us sincerely wish to meet again next year, where everyone participates with renewed vigor and interest, and by God's grace, we'll meet in more normal circumstances. And as Henry Ford believed, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Thank you, everyone. God bless. And before I put an end, I declare this MSMUN 2020 close. God bless. Namaskar.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words have indeed inspired us all. As this ceremony is at its end, we need to acknowledge all those whose ardent efforts went into making this MUN successful. So, I would like to call Ms. Adrita Datta, Secretary General, to kindly present the vote of thanks.
Namaskar. Good evening, everyone, and thanks to all of you for making the MSMUN 2020 a great success. I can realize it well how it was like to sit in your seats and work so hard for such a long time, which ultimately resulted in this success. So the lion's share of the success is credited to the delegates. Though initially it was a little bit surreal, at the same time it was sublime. Actually, to a great extent, all sublimes are surreal. Here we talked about the problems which are larger than ourselves. We talked about humanity, we talked about civilization. Here we transcended the limit of the mundane. We transcended the limit of every boundary. For these 3 days, we stretched our wings throughout the horizon, didn't we? And if we did so, that was the success of MSMUN 2020. Today, I, Adrita, as Secretary General of the MSMUN 2020, sorry for the disturbance, convey my heart's gratitude to all the intellectual delegates gathered here. the chairpersons and vice chairs of various committees, the teacher in charges of for their guidance, to the organizing committee who had carried. Ma'am, special thanks to Ma'am Sujata Bhatt for penning down the happenings of the conference in the form of newsletter with such a grace. And to my senior, Ms. Khushi Anupriya Dudi, for coordinating the events of MS MUN so lucidly. And to all of you for making the event so colorful, so vivid, so enthusiastic, yet so knowledgeable. My heartiest gratitude goes to the MS MUN coordinator, Ma'am Ms. Manju Singh, and Honorable Principal Ma'am Ms. Nishirana for making us believe that even if one way is closed, 100 of ways can be opened. I'm grateful to all the technical experts and all who work tirelessly yet silently to make us connected through the cameras to pass our messages from heart to heart, and for recording the sessions superbly. Delegates, only one regret remained. If met face to face, the Modi School fraternity would have given you a better feeling of hospitality. Still, I hope that you all enjoyed your duration throughout the conference, hoping to meet you sometime, somewhere in the near future. Thanking you all once again for making the event a great success. With these few words, apologizing for all my lapses, I conclude. Thank you all.
Yes, Khushi, next line.
I think Khushi has left. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, now it's
Yes, ma'am. So I'm just saying because Khushi is not here. Yes. So now, okay. So I'm speaking. Now, with the spirit of solidarity and respect for the nation, I would request everyone to kindly stand up for the national anthem. Kindly note that meeting will end after this. Jai Hind.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलद तरंगा तब शिमला में जाते तब शिमला आशीष मांगे